Felix Zendex just got a 3.28 3x3 single on Twitch, and today I'm going to be taking a look at that solve. Felix is going to do orange cross because he is color neutral, and then you can have this OLL with a PLL skip. Alright, so a little while ago I received this cube, the GAN 11M Pro GAN's 2020 flagship 3x3. Well, for the soft version, I've actually realized that the loop actually evaporates a lot faster than with the glossy edition. R prime, U prime, R2, U R prime, and then do this B move with my left index finger like so. I know some of you don't believe me, but I can actually do it really fast, like so. And then you do a wide F, and then you solve this after case with U, R, U2, R prime, like that, and then U, wide F prime. Okay, so we just hit 3,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. Thank you all so very much for helping me achieve this.
Hey guys, it's Cuberzz here, and today I decided to do a face reveal. Yep, this is what I look like. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.
Because for this challenge, we're gonna solve a 3x3, but I can't actually touch the 3x3. So what I have to do is I have to use other 3x3s and then only touch this cube using this 3x3s. So a few days ago, Kingman announced his 21x21 charity cubing livestream, whose vision is to help create a world where everyone has a safe and decent place to live. Well, as a cuber, you rarely see someone in the cubing scene band together cubers from across the globe to do something to improve the lives of others. It really is motivating to me to see that us cubers aren't just some random kids who like turning plastic toys. We have a community of learners and individuals around the planet who are willing to come together to achieve things to make the world a better place.
I reckon let's watch another community video. And then we'll have JPLM on.
We'll be right back after this short video.
Hey Tingman, thanks for having me for, the next couple of seconds, and thank you so much for doing this and bringing the cubing community together to do good for this world, and I really hope we can reach our goal. Also, looks like you've got some pretty good progress on that 21x21. You can do this, man, don't give up. Also, thanks to everyone who's already donated for making a difference in the lives of the less fortunate.